3, 2, 1. It's been a morning of cliches here on the LME. It's the same old, or deja vu. Whatever, it means that the price movements and the activity are very similar to what we've seen in the not too distant past. Initially, all the markets were moving higher. They were taking their cue really from Asian stock markets, China in particular, where there were some strong gains seen overnight. As the morning's worn on, however, that trend has changed. European equities, they did start steady. They were little changed for quite a while. They've started to drift back now as we go into the early afternoon. The dollar too, it was very little changed at the opening, stuck around 143 against the euro. It's now picked up a little bit. Again, that's putting some pressure on the base metal markets. So for the metals in particular, we did see copper back above $6,400 a tonne very early on this morning. It's now trading near $6,300 a tonne. Those influences come into bear. The lead market, at one point it got to its highest for 13 months, within a whisker of $2130. It's now back below $2,100. Still firmer, however. Some worries over Chinese production. Although some of the reports that initially have come through for China may have been a little bit overdone. Recently there's been perhaps a feeling that most of the smelters are operating okay. For the rest of the day, and indeed for the rest of this week, it's going to be a focus on the external drivers, the data. As we speak, we've got US durable goods coming through, and towards the end of the week, remember it's a bank holiday weekend here in the UK, position squaring could get a little bit volatile the next couple of days, and a shorter week in the States next week as well, because there's an American holiday. So looking a little bit forward, these trends, markets nicely placed to push higher, but there is some resistance building overhead which may prevent, apart from the lead market, a retest of recent 2009 highs. This is Martin Hayes for FastMarkets on the floor of the LME.